After a brutal and exhausting labor, the mare finally gave birth to her fragile foal. But the newborn scent quickly drew the attention of a nearby stallion. The aggressive male charged straight toward the baby, trying to kill it and force the mare back into heat. She circled it protectively, kicking back with her hind legs at the stallion's every lunge. The newborn, still unaware of the danger, lay quietly in the grass, clueless that this brutal fight was for its life. The mare tapped her baby with her leg, trying to get it to walk away. But the foal could barely stand its legs, still new and unsteady. The stallion's attacks became more violent, more relentless. The mother's strength was slipping fast. Finally, she collapsed under his weight. The stallion bit hard into her neck, holding her down. At that moment, the exhausted mare understood if she wanted her foal to survive, she had no choice but to submit.